Good morning, traders. It's Pete here. Welcome back. This is Trading Kitchen. Today is President's Day, so as we are on holiday, I won't trade during this day. So the thing I like to do when I don't trade is backtest my strategy and make a recap of all my recent trades and try to notice something new. And today's video, I just want to make this with you. So you're going to see which is basically my checklist, my model, and all the reasons by which I enter or not the trade. So first of all, just a quick recap of my strategy. You have tons of videos on this channel, but let's do a quick recap. First of all, daily bias. I don't want to go deep with daily bias because I already explained it so many times, but I try to follow what the daily bias tell me to do, basically. Okay, if we are long, it doesn't mean that I'm going only to look for long position. It means that I will look for long position until we're going to reach a zone from which price could reverse, and vice versa on the short position. I highlight the possible reaction levels, which could be supply and demands, basically supply and demand zones, or internal liquidity, or highs and lows of the previous day or the previous week or the previous session as well. So I trade only Nasdaq on US session in the morning. So London session highs and lows, which are these blue lines here, are good levels for me to trade. My analysis start on the daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, to be honest. Then I move on the daily time frame, and then I move down until I reach the 50-minute time frame, which is my daily bias template. My strategy is basically a scalping strategy, scalp to intraday strategy. So I take 3-4 scalps in a day, and I try to leave the profit running on an intraday basis, respecting what is my forecast on the daily bias. So probably the best zones I usually trade are supply and demand zones. So there are so many contents about supply and demand zones, so I will not tell you what supply and demand zones are, but basically what I'm looking for at a supply and demand zones are the institutional one. What I mean by institutional: so if we have a range in which price is obviously ranging, okay, what I want to see is a movement like this. Okay, so price is breaking the range, re-entering and retesting the same zone to go in the direction that I want it to go. Okay, there is a little bit something that I don't want to do is, I'm sorry. So what I want to see is a clear manipulation. Okay, so if I have something like this, okay, I want to see, in case of long, I want to see a strong moving down, a strong push downside. I want to see a strong seller pressure here, and then I want to see seller get absorbed. I want to see price breaking the recent structure, retesting the zone. Here I want to see imbalances. Okay, so I want to see bullish pressure to take the trade here and going up. Okay, first here I want to see consolidation. So things like this for me are not supply and demand zone until I see something like this before. Okay, a supply zone could be this one. So this is the range. Price first grab the liquidity here to push everybody to trade up the range, and here there is absorption and go down. I will take the retest on the same level here. So I know that this is a classical schematic that you have seen so many times, but this is how things works. Okay, so this for me is crucial. I want to see manipulation. I want to see a clear supply and demand zones, consolidation, manipulation, consolidation, manipulation, break of the recent structure of the climax. I already speak about climax in my recent video. Retest the same zone and take the trade here with stop loss where my entry gets invalidated. So if I have trapped buyers here, my stop loss will be above the trapped buyers. Okay, why? For the simple reason, if price is going here, I know that my strategy, my model, this entry, this setup is invalidated, it's not valid anymore. Price probably will move up. So this is very important to me. Okay, I see so many traders take all the supplies in the main zones just because they see, you know, here, okay, we have an engulfing. This is the supply zone. Okay, just enter here. Or I don't know, for example, this. Okay, yeah, we have a pin bar. We have breakout structure. We can enter here. This is not how it works. For me, the order flow, the footprint chart are essential to really understand what's going behind the candle. So I want to clearly identify supply and demand zones using the concept I've already explained in this channel. So go and see the other videos to have a clear understanding of what order flow and footprint chart is. Let's have a quick recap, a quick backtest with you, focusing on the random day. I didn't prepare anything, okay, so I think that this is clear because I just speaking while I'm thinking, so all my videos are not prepared, and this is probably is not good to you, but I want to be as much as clear and transparent as possible. Okay, so let's take a random day. So we can take the 14th of no, sorry, let's go on January, because I want to take a day that I don't remember, to be honest. So 25, just let me check if on the 25 we have particular kind of news, but I don't remember. 24, whoa, full of news, but everything is at 8:30, so yeah, could be good. Okay, so 9:30, which is the time I usually start to trade. Oh, so 50-minute time frame. First of all, sorry, 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the macro structure is clearly bullish structure on the higher time frame. Let's have a look on a 50-minute time frame. This is very quick, I know, but you know, if I want to concentrate on an intraday point of view, so the structure on a higher time frame is bullish, but helps me to understand which I have to trade also during the intraday time frame, which is 50-minute time frame. So what about 50-minute time frame? Many of you, I know, on this scenario are going bearish and going short because we have this breakout structure here. Okay, yeah, it's true. We are going bearish on the micro structure. Okay, so in a very short term, until when we find a clear demand zone, okay, which is the origin of the last impulse. This is the last range, the last consolidation that had already been tested before price is moving up. Okay, so we are going to be bearish from here, which is the last impulse, until we are going to reach this level, okay, which is our target. Okay, and this is basically a sell side liquidity. Okay, this is very important because on this session, probably looking at the chart, price will do, I suppose, something like this. Okay, so it doesn't mean if we are going short or long, if we must only take a one direction trade. We can take both, but we have to clearly understand what price is doing and what is the target. So I'm not pretty sure about that, obviously, but generally price tends to retest, okay, the supply on the demand zone that made a huge impulse, above all if we speak about a higher time frame. Okay, so maybe not today, maybe not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, but this is a zone that price probably is going to retest. Okay, so 15 minutes, let's move down on 1 minute. I usually take 1 minute trade, or if I want to scalp, I usually use trade 15-second time frame. But yeah, let's have a look on the 1 minute time frame, what is going to happen. So the first thing we have to note to highlight. Okay, so to be honest, here it's a little bit easy. This is a strong news, and we have a volume imbalance here. Okay, and this is basically a level that price tend to retest. Okay, what I tell you before is I only look for supply demand zones with a clear manipulation. So after a range we have manipulation and price goes up. What does it mean? I want to see price retesting this zone to go long. In the meantime, nothing avoid me to enter to scalp the possible trend, because I don't know if it's going to go down. Now we are bullish, okay, but if price will broke the structure and going down, I can take all this trade down. So let's erase everything. 9:30 we have this situation. Let's move down. So the US opening broke the structure, broke the recent structure. Okay, so as you can see, we have this structure that have been broken. So now I am bearish until this level. Okay, I don't want to see all the flow yet, but the only thing that I don't like so much is, this is a classical resistance zone, supply zone. Okay, but I don't see a clear manipulation here. Okay, let's have a look on a footprint chart. Yeah, maybe I was wrong. So yeah, so all these green boxes that you see are a strong bullish pressure that is being absorbed. So we have we have lots of buyers that have been absorbed here. Yeah, I was partially wrong, because you know, this is a very clear solution, to be honest, but we are going to take this as a supply as well. Probably I will enter with half size, because yeah, we have absorption, but this is not a clear manipulation. We know that the trend is bullish, so you know, I don't like it so much. So if you are opening trader, so if you use an opening strategy, this could be the first trade, in which we have this this fair value gap here. Okay, we have this fair value gap, and price grab the liquidity here and move down with this. This is a clear solution. Okay, a lot of traders. So let's go back on a minute time frame. So a lot of traders consider. Where is the candle? Sorry. No. Please don't spoil. So I missed this candle. Okay. Maybe we can choose this and then 1 minute time frame. So it could be the last trade. Okay. I know that so many of you could go to consider the recent, so this one on the 50-second time frame as a supply. Okay, I don't do it just because we don't have any break of structure, and because we are in a very discount zone. So the supply that I will consider is this one, not this one, even if we have a strong absorption here, and even for just a little the scalp, probably it worked. This is not good to me. So if we're talking about scalping, so we have 15-minute time frame. This is a break of structure which is not so clear, to be honest, because you know, I want to see break of structure with the body, no, not with the wicks, by the wicks. But anyway, we have a little bit of so much clear break of structure, but there is a break of structure. So I want to see the first supply or demand that basically broke the structure. So the first one is this one, not this one, not this one, the origin of the move that broke the structure. If we zoom, what we can see the climax, the bearish climax. We can see a strong bullish aggression. We can see trapped sellers over here. So this is, to me, for a quick scalp, is a very good. Sorry, we have an imbalance over there. Okay, so this to me is a very good zone from which we can go long. Okay, so let's move forward. Price enter the zone. So a lot of traders enter right back here on the last candle before the impulse. I just want to wait for the first reaction, for a confirmation. Okay, so now okay, I'm in a replay mode, so I want to see price retesting this climax with this zone where we have a lot of bearish imbalances and bullish imbalances as well, which are quite close to the price. But yeah, here, okay, the stop loss is here where my setup gets invalidated. What about take profit? Take profit is where? Let me see. I usually try to respect a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, but so here could go here, right? Because we have an untested POC and the origin of this last move. Okay, yeah, I know that price probably is going to test this zone, this last candle, this last supply and demand zone, but I prefer to be conservative right by here because I know that we are in a bearish trend that probably want to test this zone. Okay, so let's see. Oh, so price didn't test this the zone. We can leave trade. Price at the trade. Now the target is already being taken, so I will move, to be honest, my stop loss on the break even for the simple reason that I told before, that my target is being hit before my entry, so I probably take the break-even point, and now my target will be this one, but we have an imbalance here, so a very quick scalp with a nice 290 box. But yeah, it's good to as a start of the session. It's a pity because I want to my expecting for the price to reach this zone again, and this is not happening anymore, but it doesn't matter. So let's move forward. Let's see what's happening. What I'm waiting is a clear zone from which we can take a trade. So now price, okay, so let's move again here, 15-second time frame. So price, grab the liquidity here. We have to see what is going to happen. Okay, so now we have break of structure here. Price, get the lows. Okay, grab this liquidity. We have an absorption. What I don't see is we have a climax as well. So this could be a second trade. I want to see a clear impulse on the up. Okay, so this is the second impulse that we do have. We have break of structure, so this zone could be good for us to trade as well. Okay, we don't see any imbalances, which is something that I really like to identify clear supply zone, because it means that we have huge pressure. Okay, so high pressure that the price has no time to retest the same zone, because we have a strong pressure, and probably is going to retest again. Okay, so now we are waiting for the price to reach here or this zone. We are ranging. Okay, now we have probably the first bullish signal of the session, because we have this break of structure here. I know some of aggressive traders probably enter here because we have an absorption, but I don't like it because we are in a very premium zone. Price retest this zone, so I will not enter here because I don't see a clear zone, to be honest. Let me grab this here. So this could be good. We can probably try the quick scalp, and above all, let me see the target. No, I don't like. It's something that does not really like so much. I don't enter. Yeah, price, the trade could have been good for just a quick scalp. Then okay, price now is moving down, and probably is going to test this volume imbalance here, and that I have already know. was visible on 1 minute time frame here. Okay, so I forgot to highlight the zone. So when I have such like this supply demand zone so huge, what I want to do is highlight the exact cluster from which price is moving, from which price created the impulse, which is this one. Okay, obviously we have a volume imbalances here, so to be honest, this is the zone that I want to cover. And in this case, in this situation, when it is institutional supply created by the news, so we have this huge gap. Okay, I enter with the L size. I usually enter with the 10 micros, mini micro, sorry, contracts. In this trade, we enter with 5. Let's see what price is going to do. So 15-second time frame. Price entering the zone. What I want to see is an absorption like this. Okay, so we have climax, we have clear absorption, we have trap sellers, we have huge aggression. Okay, yeah, and a good thing that makes me a little bit more comfortable is this delta value, which is the higher delta that I have already seen in the wall session. And to be honest, this allows me to enter with one size. My stop loss will be huge here, below this level. What about the target? So the target is here. Even if we don't have so many absorption here, we don't have a huge absorption. Oh, I'm sorry, but here we have absorption, so the target is here. Why here? Because we have an imbalance. I know price is going to fill all the left imbalances, and yeah, but probably could be this one, the target. Okay, for the simple reason that price tend to refill all the imbalances left on the left side of the graph. Okay, as you can see, price now is moving moving on break even. I want to leave it open because I know this is a very high potential trade. Okay, probably this is the best trade in the whole session because generated from the institutional demand. Okay, so I know that usually this kind of trades get me a huge impulse. Well, we take a target and we are 85.5, 855 dollars. So yeah, this is usually I stop trading here, to be honest, with this target, and this was an easy day because of this that left this volume imbalance. Look how price magnificently reacted from this volume imbalances. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and let's have a look what price is going to do. Okay, so now we not yet. Yeah, we broke the structure here. I will test the short here. This zone I don't like so much. Okay, but I will do it because we have this impulse, because this is a US opening, even if we have already had a manipulation here. So I don't like so much. I will enter with half size, but probably on the real trade, on a live account, I won't do this trade because, as I told you, yeah, we have absorption, but there is no clear manipulation. This is something that tells me that price want to go down, grab the liquidity here to go up because the trend is bullish. If we don't reach the target, if we take this supply before going to the target, we probably get a trade. But as price grab the liquidity here to go up, I will probably not take this trade. But anyway, let's see what is going to do. Okay, so now is testing. Let me show the footprint. Okay, so we have this climax. Okay, when I want a higher confirmation, I want to see price breaking this candle. So okay, probably now it's going up. Okay, yeah, I was right, to be honest. Now price is going up, strong imbalances. The breakout traders is entering right by now, because we get manipulation here, and we just break the opening range. Okay, this is probably worst trade, okay, that I can do, and the worst losses that I had my trading activity is with this kind of trade. Even if I saw a huge imbalances, a huge bullish pressure, even if now I know that probably price is going up for the whole session, it doesn't mean that I have to go bullish right by now. Why? For the simple reason that we are in a premium zone. I want to buy at the lows, I want to sell at the highs. So this is a support zone, the demand zone that I want for the price to reach, because it's the origin of the move that broke the high, broke the structure. Okay, so I want to see price not going down, going up. I want to see price retesting this zone and going up. Okay, let's move forward. So price is going up, now it's going to retest this zone. Okay, so right by now, let me do a quick check of the cumulative delta, because usually when I see, you see we have the climax here, and we have there is divergence between price and cumulative delta. What does it mean? It means that everything now on a very short-term point of view is telling me that we are going to be bearish, not bullish. So enter now is a little bit risky. Okay, I want to see price moving up and, you know, try to break this high here. Now it's going down. Let's have a look here. So probably it's going to test this supply here, but we have the supply here as well. Okay, so let me have a look on a footprint chart. Oh yeah, this is good. We have bearish climax with this imbalances. So now I want to see price also cover these imbalances and close like this. Okay, so as you can see, why I was not entering right here at the low. So first of all, why I'm considering this zone for a quick scalp, because we have this liquidity with the absorption, we have this supply zone with absorption. Zone is the zone that broke this high. Okay, no, sorry, this high. So as you can see, we have this structure. Okay, that is the last structure, the last high that broke this low to grab the liquidity here. So this is a good point from which we can enter long once broken. Now we are considering this supply, this demand, sorry. Okay, on the footprint chart, what we see here, we saw this huge bearish candle. So when I see this climax, this strong absorption with this huge quantity of imbalances here, okay, all the whole three candles, okay, so I just wonder why we have to, I mean, this huge pressure. The thing that I want to see is the price going down, because we have a very strong, a very huge pressure here. So I want to see price retesting these imbalances and going down. Now, we are not broke this bearish climax structure yet. Okay, so price now probably is going down. Okay, but you know, when you see this absorption with this climax, yeah, I just try to let's say to have an alert that probably something is going to change. Okay, broken yet? We are broken. We broke the this structure. So what we are going to do right by now? We can enter here, but we are on a premium zone, and we have an imbalance here left. So I usually want to retest the zone. I usually want to wait for the price to retest the zone. In my opinion, this is not going to happen right by now, just because, as you can see, price already fill with this week the zone in which we have these strong imbalances and move up. So it's, to be honest, it's hard, in my opinion, for the price to retest the zone, and instead, okay, no, is retested. Okay, no, sorry, I don't like for the simple reason that this is imbalance. This imbalance, price grab the liquidity here. We have huge absorption. Price move down so quickly. I don't like it. Now price is going up, but I don't care because, as you can see, we have this huge absorption, even if we are on a 50-second time frame, and it's not the rules that I want to be satisfied. Okay, when I see a clear reversal setup against my trade, I usually not trade, or I usually close the trade when I am in. Okay, even if, remember that the microstructure is bearish, now is bullish. Why? Because we broke this high that generate a new low here, okay, on the microstructure. So now we are long, and until here probably. So we can delete the zone. If you guys appreciate this content, I was thinking why I'm speaking, so this is not sound good in terms of how fast your learning could be. If you watch this video again and again, I'm pretty much sure that it's going to be very useful, because this is something that I wanted to see when I began with the trading. So yeah, and I want to see price moving outside this ranging here. This was a 15-second time frame, which is a very quick time frame. I want to nice, sorry. Okay, I forgot to highlight this zone. So why I highlight this resistance or supply zone? Move on a 50-second time frame. Probably we already missed the target, to be honest, but okay, no. This imbalance, we have this huge aggression, bearish aggression with a footprint template. You're going to see this so much better. So we have assertion. We have the pattern that I like. So 1, 2, 3, tack, breaking the structure. So 1, 2, 3, and we go down. We have a bullish climax, which is this one. Look at the values of the delta, 325, which is the highest of probably the last 50 candles. Okay, and here we have another one on the highs. Price is testing the highs. Okay, and now this strong assertion, price is moving down with only 103 contracts. Okay, so with less than the half of this candle. So it's good, because this is a good signal that probably price is going to react or to this imbalance. But let me check if it's tested, or it's going to test it or not. Let's see. Probably. Oh, maybe we missed. Let me. So we have this setup. If I see the setup inside the zone, I will enter the trade. I will not enter now. Probably price is going to move down right by now, because we the clear set. Okay, that we enter trade. Sorry, we enter trade here. Okay, half size. So like this, 5. Okay, we enter here. Why I entered? Because probably price is going to reach this the zone again. This setup is clear. Okay, we have the value of imbalances, we have a climax. Everything tells me that it's going to go down. So my stop loss will be here. What about take profit? So take profit will be probably this one. Okay, because I just want for the price to reach this. Feel this imbalance and go down. Okay, so in terms of risk to reward, it's negative. Okay, which is sound very bad. Okay, and that's the reason why I enter with a 5. Now price, my stop loss is going to break even, so this is a little bit okay, and it is break even. Maybe price is moving on the zone again. We enter. Okay, yeah, the trade was good, to be honest. The trade was good, but you know, reason by which I will not enter before is because the reason by which this was not a profit trade is because I was a little bit too strict with the zone. Okay, by the way, this happened not few times, to be honest, and it doesn't matter. The truly important thing is that you have clear rules in terms of the zone that you want to trade. Okay, now price is entering again the zone, and it's moving up. So let's see if we have the possibility to enter again here. No, price is moving up. So also, I think you understand the pattern that I use in the higher time frame as in the 15-second time frame as well. The pattern is always the same. Okay, is this one. Is the Quasimodo, I don't know the name of the pattern, but it's a very beautiful pattern, and if confirmed on the order flow is a very I mean, really works. Okay, so what next? We keep going on with the chart. We go ahead, and let's see. So we have what I told you is that we are long. Okay, obviously now, so I usually stop trading here in terms of time. I will trade at the lunch hour, so I trade until 12. Okay, anyway, just because it's not before the edge. What I saw with my backtest is that all the trade that I made with this strategy from 12 to the PM session are less edge than trading on the morning session. Okay, but anyway, look what we can do here. So okay, now we have this supply zone, this demand zone here, okay, in which we don't have any imbalance, we don't have any absorption here as well and here as well. Okay, look at the inclination. Okay, price here. Sorry for the drawing, guys, but as you can see, I think this is something that you clearly see. When we have something like this, it's very hard to going long from here. To me, you want to see another confirmation, even if the main trend is bullish, because here we are in front of a clear reversal trade. Okay, so when we reach this supply, I want to see a clear confirmation. Okay, so we have here this strong bearish climax with absorption, huge imbalances. So I want to see price trading above this candle. Okay, nothing to do. So guys, yeah, I know the supply worked here, but you know, was not enough. Now price, let's see if price is moving down, it's moving up. Okay, there is no highs, no breaking of the structure, no, we're going to go down. Okay, we're going to go down. We're probably to test this liquidity. Okay, anyway, I think could be enough for this day, and yeah, I think it could be useful, even if this video is taking too long, probably, I don't know. But anyway, this is how I work. This is how I my logic before entering a trade. The very important thing is that we have consolidation, we have manipulation and distribution. Okay, so consolidation, manipulation, distribution. This is what you have to know, and wait for a retest to go short. And on the long, obviously we have like this. Okay, sorry for the drawings. Okay, guys. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, press the thumbs up button, ring a bell, same stuff. Above all, let me know what you think using the conversation below. And remember to join my Discord group, in which you have free trading ideas, you have a lot of useful trading content, you have my backtest with the journal, everything for free. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.